beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today is my fasting day, a day where I slow down, connect spiritually, and just let God pour into me. I'm starting off with my coffee shot and beet juice, then I'll read my Bible, take my spiritual bath, and get grounded before heading out into nature. That's where I always receive my clearest messages. But y'all already know, mom life doesn't stop. So before I go, I'm cleaning the kitchen, ironing the kids' clothes, and getting everything in order. Later, we'll head to the park together and I'll show how I end my fasting day with peace, love, and a little mom magic. So grab your tea, your coffee, whatever brings you comfort, and let's get into this fasting day together. Grand rising, grand afternoon, grand evening, my little bugs. Today is Wednesday, my day of fast. So I have did my ritual, which is every rising when I get up, I give my gratitude to the Most High, starting off, then my Ori, which is myself, and also my ancestors. After I do that, I do me a nice little meditation, breathing exercise to ground and center myself, and then I read my Bible. And I've done that already. After I do that, I get in the shower and do my spiritual bath. If you all need a simple strategy of cleansing yourself, get you some coconut water, some Florida water. If you got eggs, grind you some eggs up till it's some powder. If you don't have eggs, coconut water and Florida water will do just fine. You want to saturate your hair with water first, and then you want to use your mixture as a shampoo. After you wash your hair, you set your intention, say your prayer, wash your hair. After you wash your hair, you want to let your hair air dry. Don't blow dry it. Don't put if you want to put some oils in it, that's fine, but really don't put no conditioner or nothing on top of your mixture, okay? Letting that soak in to your crown and doing what it's supposed to do for you. After I get the kids off to school, we're going to go to the park because that's what we do on our fast day. We get grounded. But also on Wednesdays, I like to clean my house. If you have not heard, I'm a strong and firm believer that cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, godliness is cleanliness. However you want to say it. I like to keep my space clean. So I have already started doing my laundry. I don't know if you like this, but I like to start my chores ahead of time. So last night I started doing laundry before I got in the bed. But I like to start my chores ahead of time, especially if I have a little time and energy to do so. So this is why clothes are on the counter, because I have already started my laundry. I'm going to go ahead and get the kitchen clean. The time is now 5:56 a.m. I'm gonna go ahead and get the kitchen clean because I have to get the kids up at 6:30. So this is the place that I can start. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the kitchen clean, and then after I clean the kitchen, I'm gonna go ahead and get their school clothes ready for them so I can wake them up. So let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, y'all, I just made it to the park, but I'm a little disturbed. Um, and you're gonna notice too, like, when you are doing something for the betterment of yourself, the enemies don't like it. So the enemy gonna always try to attack you in some shape, form, or fashion. Needless to say, while I was dropping my kids off to school, after I had dropped them off to school, I'm pulling out the parking lot to go home, well, to come to the park. And as I'm pulling out the parking lot, you have this drive line, okay? You have cars coming this way, and you have some cars parked this way. Well, my car was one of the cars parked this way, like I do every rising. When there's a gap in the car line, as we all do, if there's a gap in the car line, you're gonna see one of the cars pull out to get in that gap. There was a lady who was driving a white truck. She was kind of far back off of the other car bumper, so I took that as my chance to pull out. So now here I go. I'm inching out. I done pulled out, and then she sees me that I'm trying to get in between her and the other car, and she revs her engine to pull up on my car. So now I'm blowing the horn like, you see me right here? Blowing the horn at her. You see me right here? As that other car inch up, I'm pulling out more, and she decides to pull up more and hit my car. So now at this point, I'm angry because you deliberately hit my car. So I'm on the phone with my mama at the time. So I get off the phone with her, I roll my window down, and I'm like, you just hit my car. And she was like, oh, you sure you didn't run into me? No, you just hit my car. So I get out the car and I look, and her car is on my car. So I'm like, I'm finna call the police. She was like, oh, for a fender bender? And I'm like, yeah, I'm finna call the police because you deliberately hit my car. So I'm hanging up on my mama. Like, I ain't even telling her I'm gonna call her back. I done hung up on her. Now I'm taking pictures, okay, because I need to take a picture of this. So she gets out her truck and she walks up to my car. Oh, I can see you done been in an accident before. No, I've never been in an accident in this car, ma'am. I bought this car like this. At the front of my car, up under my bumper, I guess whoever had the car, they probably backed up off of something or pulled up on something, and the bottom of the bumper is cracked. Not only that, the bumper is, I guess whatever they did to mess up the bumper, when they put it back on, they welded the bumper on so you can see the screw marks from where they welded the bumper on. So she was like, I could tell you've already been in a car accident. I'm like, no, I have not. I bought this car like this. So she was like, it's just a minor fender bender. And I'm like, that's besides the point. You deliberately hit my car. So now she's going back to her truck as if she's going to try to pull off. So I'm like, let me walk back around my car. I took a picture of her tag number, and you got all these other cars blowing the horn. We have to get to work. I said, I don't give a fuck about y'all getting to work. This bitch just hit my car. Because now I'm angry. Now, all y'all finna get cussed out. All y'all finna get cussed out on my fast day. So now I'm angry now, and I'm like, y'all gonna wait till I get what I need, and then I'll move my car. So after I took a picture of her tag, I got in my car. So a black guy got out his truck, and he kept asking me, ma'am, you good? Ma'am, you good? And I'm like, nah, she want to be nasty, but I'm finna show her. I'm finna show her what her nastiness finna get her. So he was like, yeah, she ain't got to be like that. I seen what she was doing. I'm like, yeah. And she finna see what's finna happen to her. So when he asking her to move her truck, she was like, well, I can't back up because she's too close behind me. So I was like, nah, she ain't got to move her truck. I'm finna pull into this parking spot. So I pulled over, and he was like, you sure you want to let her leave? I'm like, I don't care if she leave. I got her tag number. That her leaving don't even matter to me at this point. Pull in the parking spot, and I called the police. So all the other cars now, they moving now. I guess one of her little homegirls in another white truck pull up on the side of her, asking her if everything was okay. She pull over, and I guess they over there having a conversation. Man, I don't care what y'all saying over there about me, because the old me, the old Siobhan, would have put her hands on you when you were standing in front of my car talking about, oh, it looked like you done been in an accident before. I saw myself grabbing her by the top of her head with my left hand and eating her face with my right hand. I saw it. But that's the old version of me. Needless to say, I'm already dealing with a lawyer's office at this moment because of a car accident that happened a couple of years ago, almost 2 years ago. So I already have a lawyer team that's working for me right now on another case. You think they're not going to be happy to pick this one up? You think they're not going to be happy to pick this one, especially how nasty you was being? You think they're not going to be happy to pick this one up? Yes, ma'am. I'm definitely calling you. Listen, when the police came and they got our information, I ain't put down my insurance information on that paperwork. For what? We not using my insurance for nothing. I'm going straight after her and her insurance company. You want to play? Let's play. Now I'm finna get out this park. Out this car, and I'm finna go walk around this park, because the enemy ain't finna stop what the Most High has ordained for me. Okay, I'm going out here to spend time in His nature, and I'm gonna take my camera, but I'm gonna get a little few clips here and there. But really, today is really for me. I wanted to bring y'all out here and spend a little bit more time with y'all, but today is for me. All right. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Hold the line, please. The first time I seen birds on this trail, y'all. I've never seen birds on this trail. What is this? What kind of bird is he? He's not an owl, because his head is not big like an owl. Something is behind me. I don't know what it is, but his head is not big like an owl. He's right there. I don't know what kind of bird he is. His head turns all the way around, though, because he turned around and looked at me just now. So the last time I walked this trail, y'all, I didn't see as many birds and squirrels as I see today. Y'all, I've seen so many squirrels and birds, and for the most part, they're traveling in a pack of 2. See, I hear something in that bush. They traveling by 2s. I just saw 2 squirrels playing in the tree over there. Look at that squirrel over there. 2 squirrels over there. I just took a video of 2 blue and black butterflies. To me, they was dancing. I don't know what they were really doing, but it looked like they was dancing to me. They was bouncing around each other. I just thought that was so cute. I tried to get it on video, but that's neither here nor there. But I just wanted to touch bases on that. Like, it's squirrels over there. I don't know if y'all saw them run or not, but the last time I've been out here, it was more deers, and I haven't seen one deer, but I have seen a lot of squirrels and a lot of birds. I'm gonna look it up, see what that means. What's up, my little bug? After leaving the park, I had to go straight to Destin's school to pick him up. He gets out of school at 11 o'clock. And when I got to the school, his face was white, like he hadn't been crying. Having an autistic child, he has his challenging days. So today has been a challenging day for him. Normally when his days are very challenged, he likes one of his favorite meals, pancakes, sausage, and eggs. So when he got home, that's what he asked for, so that's what he's going to get. Okay, I told y'all that every win is a win for me, okay? I showed y'all previously that your girl been ironing on the countertop, all right? But I have went and got an ironing board, y'all. Every win is a win for me, small or large. It's a win for me, okay? Come on up off of here. What's up, son? You want to put the TV on? Okay, I'm coming. Put it on the counter. Put it up there on the counter. Put it up there. Did you use dancing? Go use the potty. Ow! You okay? Shake it off. To go with that beautiful ironing board, I previously ordered, y'all know if it ain't pink, it ain't me, okay? Now I pray this fit, we gonna find out together. I pray this fit. Let's unstrap these first. Please fit. Oh, y'all, we cooking with Crisco. Yes, sir. Okay. We are cooking with Crisco. Scrap that on back off of yonder. Okay. And it should be one down here. And there you have it. We have our ironing board. Yay! Okay, so I think I scrapped that one wrong because it's stopping it from sliding. Let's see. Alright. Hold it on, please. I'll call y'all back.